cry, stitched from silence, left to die. A name they never gave to me, just monster carved in memory. I wandered through the screams in stone, a world of faces not my own. But once a child gave me a rose, the only warmth I've ever known. Do you see me now, Creator? Do you dream of what you've done? Was I just your dark reflection, the only warmth I've ever known? Do you see me now, Creator? Do you dream of what you've done? Was I just your dark reflection, or the shadow of your sun? You gave me breath but not a reason, a spark without a flame, born from lightning, bound in sorrow. Still I carry your name. They chased me through the falling snow, afraid of what they made below. But I remember every face, the fear, the hate, and her embrace. I never asked to live this way. I only wanted to be seen, to be more than broken pieces, more than just a dream. Do you see me now, Creator? Do you weep when skies grow gray? I am yours, the silent echo that never fades away. You gave me breath but not a reason, a soul without a flame, born from lightning, lost forever. Still I carry